Hi students, and welcome to week 14 of Composition 2. Just a couple things to work on this week as we wind down the semester, though they are two pretty big things. First up, we're going to finish our technology analysis project. Woohoo! So all you have to do for this, as usual, is really give me the best possible revision. So I really want you to spend this week kind of really revising, taking your classmates and my advice into account, and then creating the best possible technology analysis essay. You've got all the skills from this whole semester of Comp 2, so this is the time to really let them shine. When you're done, you're going to put them into this assignment sheet. Then, as always, whenever we turn in a major assignment, we reflect on what we've learned, and so I'm going to have you come here and do a little course goal reflection. Of course, you know, because we're working on that final assignment, that that course goal reflection is going to feed into our work on our portfolio and our reflective letter. So I'm going to show you what we're going to work on for there too. So with our reflective letter this week, we've got, more to do. So first, I'm going to have you do a workshop. Now, this workshop is going to be a little bit more informal than our traditional workshops because you've got to turn in a draft at some point this week and then read and give feedback on at least 3 other letters written by fellow classmates. Now, this should be pretty easy because you guys are only reading, between 1.5 to 3 pages of writing, so you should be able to give them some pretty good feedback. At some point you need to turn in that first draft of your letter. The earlier that you turn it in, the more likely you're going to get really good feedback from your classmates. So don't dawdle. Try to get a first draft in the early part of the week. And then go ahead and give feedback to at least 3 fellow writers. Now, it would be best if you could sort of space it out so everybody gets at least some feedback. And then if you need any of that material that we discussed last week when we started working on this assignment, I've given you a discussion, a link to the discussion of our course goals. So you can go back and kind of gather up some of that pre-writing material and use it to create that first draft, and then also use it to workshop your classmates' writing. So once again, don't forget that just because there's not a lot packed into these folders doesn't mean that you don't have a lot of work this week. My expectations are really high for you guys to create like really, really solid pieces of writing. So a really good first draft of your reflective letter and a really just awesome and final draft of your technology analysis project. All right, let me know if you have questions and good luck.